Introducing DNA, technology's intelligent busbar laser welding machine. Engineered for precision, smart inspection, and high-efficiency battery module assembly. The process begins with loading the battery onto the pallet. Once inserted, the pallet automatically moves forward and accurately positions the battery at the inspection station. At this stage, the AI-assisted CCD vision system activates and instantly scans the battery for identification and quality verification. If the battery is verified as OK, the machine automatically continues the process. The battery surface then undergoes an automatic cleaning cycle to ensure optimal welding conditions. After cleaning, the machine pauses briefly for precise busbar placement. Once positioned, the system performs high-precision welding, creating a strong and reliable electrical connection. This smart, automated workflow ensures superior accuracy, safety, and consistent quality in every battery module produced.